Did you know that millions of pounds of leftover candle wax end up in the trash every year? Yep, that's a lot of wasted wax. But what if I told you there's a fun and easy way to repurpose that wax into something beautiful? Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a super cool DIY project where we'll make a stunning 3-wick pumpkin candle using leftover candles. Not only is this a fantastic way to reduce waste, but it also makes for an adorable fall decoration that'll make your home smell amazing. So, let's get started. Presentation of problem/challenge. Alright, let's talk about the problem many of us face, leftover candle wax. You know when you burn a candle down to the bottom and there's that little bit of wax left that you can't reach? It's so tempting to just toss it out, but that's a waste. Many people don't realize how much wax they're throwing away. This project is a perfect solution to that problem. By creating a 3-wick pumpkin candle, we can give that leftover wax a new life, save some cash, and get a cute decoration for fall. Plus, it's a great way to show off your crafting skills. Exploration/development. Now, let's gather our materials. You'll need some leftover candle wax, a pumpkin-shaped mold, 3 candle wicks, a double boiler or microwave-safe container, a stirring stick, and a little bit of fragrance oil if you want to amp up the scent. First, chop up your leftover wax into smaller pieces so they melt evenly. If you're using a double boiler, fill the bottom pot with water and bring it to a simmer, then place your wax in the top pot. If you're using a microwave, just pop it in for about 30-second intervals, stirring in between until it's fully melted. Once your wax is nice and liquid, it's time to add in your fragrance oil if you're using any. Stir it in well. Now, grab your pumpkin mold and securely attach your candle wicks at the bottom using a little bit of the melted wax. Then, carefully pour the melted wax into the mold, making sure to keep the wicks centered. Let it cool completely, and voila! Climax/key moment. Now for the moment we've been waiting for. Once your candle has cooled and hardened, it's time to reveal your creation. Carefully remove the pumpkin candle from the mold. As you peel it away, you'll see the beautiful shape and the lovely colors of the wax. And look at those 3 wicks. It's so satisfying to see all your hard work pay off, knowing you've transformed leftover wax into a charming pumpkin candle that's ready to light up your space. Conclusion/summary. So, let's quickly recap what we did. We gathered our leftover wax, melted it down, poured it into our pumpkin mold, and set up our wicks. And just like that, we've upcycled something that would have been thrown away into a gorgeous new decoration for fall. It feels great to turn waste into something useful, right? I hope you enjoyed this DIY project as much as I did. If you've ever made your own candles or have any tips, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear your experiences. And don't forget to check out my other DIY project videos for more fun ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!